Reading manga on Crunchyroll Mobile is quite straightforward. Today I'll guide you through the process of accessing manga content on the platform. To read manga on Crunchyroll, you'll need to have a premium subscription. Once you're subscribed, there are two primary methods to access manga content. Firstly, you can download the Crunchyroll Manga app on your mobile device and dive into your preferred manga series. Alternatively, you can visit the Crunchyroll website and navigate to the manga section using the website's navigation bar. If you're interested in specific chapter series, you can find them under the simulpub category. You can browse through manga titles alphabetically, by popularity, or within the simulpub category. Some popular manga series available include Attack on Titan and Fairy Tail. While using the app, you'll find various options for navigating pages, zooming in, and adjusting reading settings. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these controls for a smoother reading experience. Additionally, many manga apps, including Crunchyroll, offer features like saving manga titles to your favorites or library for convenient access later on. Some apps even allow you to download manga chapters for offline reading. While it's uncertain if Crunchyroll provides this feature, it's worth checking if you can download manga chapters while connected to the internet and read them later without needing an internet connection.